Hello and good morning, all of you. Welcome to Alpha Ace Academy. 2 minutes news analysis, and we shall see the current Supreme Court judgment that no one can be forced to get vaccinated. Now, the Supreme Court has said that the restriction imposed by the government on movement of the individuals which are unvaccinated is tends to deny them their fundamental rights, and in fact, they have upheld the right of an individual against forcible vaccination and the government's COVID-19 vaccine policy to protect communitarian health. And of course, they were trying to set up a balance, but they said, and they categorically said, that we are of the opinion that bodily integrity is protected under Article 21, that is right to life of the Constitution, and no individual can be forced to be vaccinated. The court said a person has the right under Article 21 to refuse treatment. It said personal autonomy of an individual, which is a recognized facet of protection guaranteed under Article 21, encompasses the right to refuse to undergo any medical treatment in the sphere of individual health. However, when the issue is extended to communitarian health, the government was indeed entitled to regulate issues, but its rights to regulate by imposing limits to individual was open to judicial scrutiny, and they did a judicial scrutiny and found a balance between the both, and in fact upheld the right of an individual for which it was set up. Thank you all for watching, and we shall see you soon coming up with more latest updates. Thank you.